Question 28. JAMB Expo Questions, expected questions on government. France introduced the policy of assimilation in her colonies primarily to dash. A. This is where we stopped in part 7. You are now watching part 8. Very, very, very important. Teach them the art of leadership. B. Give them a sound education. C. Change their way of life. D. Discourage them from ritual killing. France introduced the policy of assimilation in her colonies primarily to C. Change their way of life. That is the answer. C is the answer. Question 29. Question 29. In the Oyo traditional political system, the Alaafin of Oyo was elected or chosen by a group known as dash. How was the Alaafin? You know, like in the Catholic Church, there is a way the Pope is elected or chosen. In Igbo land, there is a way the Igwe is chosen. In Yoruba, in Fulani, there is a way emirs, obas are chosen. So in Oyo system, the Alaafin of Oyo was elected or chosen by a group known as the A. Oyo Messi. B. Bales. C. Obas. D. Ogboni. 29. The answer is A. Oyo Messi. Remember that what you are watching is part 8. If I were you, I will start from, I will ask for the videos we have done from scratch, from part 1, part 2, all the videos we've done on government. We have done several videos, Expo questions, expected questions, past questions and their answers on government. I've also done a lot of videos on literature, economics, use of English, JAMB novel. If you need any of them, tell me in the comment section. Tell me, sir, please give me all the videos you've done on, you mentioned the name of the subject, and I could give them to you so that you become more serious with your preparation. Okay. Question 30. A good example of a country with a largely unwritten constitution is dash. A good example of a country with a largely unwritten constitution is dash. A. The United States of America. B. The Soviet Union. C. Nigeria. D. The United Kingdom. A good example of a country with a largely unwritten constitution is dash. Is it United States of America, USA, which many of us want to jackpot to? Is it Soviet Union? Soviet Union is now defunct. It's now a defunct system. It was under Russia before. Is it Nigeria? Is it United Kingdom? Of course, the answer is D. USA has a constitution. Soviet Union is no longer existing. Nigeria has a constitution, but the United Kingdom has a special arrangement because there are several nations with their own constitutions that also came together to make up UK. So when we say UK, it's not just one nation. Before Nigeria became a republic, pay attention, this is very, very crucial. Before Nigeria became a republic, the highest body charged with the administration of justice was the dash. Before Nigeria became a republic, the highest body charged with the administration of justice was the dash. A. Supreme Court. B. Court of Appeal. C. Private Court. D. High Court. What kind of courts before we became a republic? The answer is C. Private Court. It was when we became a republic in 1963 that we now had things like High Court, Court of Appeal, and Supreme Court. Okay? Now, assignment number 1. Tell me the difference between Supreme Court and Court of Appeal. What's the difference? Tell me in the comment section. 32. The Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, has the power to prepare and maintain the register of dash. The Independent National Electoral Commission has the power to prepare and maintain the register of dash. A. Electoral candidates. B. Voters. C. Political parties. D. Constituents. INEC should be one of our major problems in Nigeria, and even in most parts of Africa. The electoral system, the electoral body doesn't seem to be performing their role very well. The Independent National Electoral Commission has the power to prepare and maintain the register of B. Voters. Voters is the answer. Okay? I hope you are learning. In which of the following systems is the power of the component unit more than that of the central government? Recall that for those of you that have been following our channel, and for those of you that will watch this video from beginning to the end, I'm going to do you a favor, and that favor is that I'm going to give you free JAMB syllables and free past questions. I'm going to give you free JAMB syllables and free past questions. If you watch this video till the end, you will qualify to get free JAMB syllables and free past questions. In which of the following systems is the power of the component unit more than that of the central government? A. Monarchical. B. Federal government. C. Unitary government. D. Confederal. Which of the following system is the power of the component units more than the central government? The answer is D. Confederation. In a system of confederation, the component units have more power than the central government. But in the federal government we're preparing, power is concentrated in Abuja, in the center. The center is more powerful than the states. Okay? 34. The two leaders that play the most prominent roles in the... I've told you to go and read up everything about ECOWAS. Hope you heard me say it in part 7. In part 7, I urged you to go and read up everything about ECOWAS, OAU, all these organizations about Africa and all the rest. Go and study them. Read them up. The two leaders that played the most prominent roles in the formation of the economic community of West African states were dash: A. Gowon and Eyedema. B. Koche and Sero. C. Kereku. These are heads of states of different African nations in their own time. D. Achipong and Jawara. It is A. Our own country's president at that time, Gowon, and Eyedema, another president of another country. They were the ones that were principally instrumental that ECOWAS was formed. Like I already told you, ECOWAS is Economic Community of West African States. Who can tell me the full meaning of UNESCO? UNESCO. Tell me the full meaning of UNESCO. All the boys in the class. Tell me the full meaning of UNESCO. Then all the ladies, all the JAMB ladies in the class, tell me the full meaning of UNICEF. Boys, talk about UNESCO. Girls, talk about UNICEF. Okay? 35. We move on. Under the presidential system of government, remember in Nigeria, we have presidential system of government. We have a president. The legislature and the executive are A. Elected separately to an unfixed term. B. Appointed at the same time to an unfixed term. C. Appointed by the judiciary to a fixed term. D. Elected separately to a fixed term. The answer is D. I won't stress you. I will just tell you the answer straight up. In presidential system, the legislature, those that make the law, and the executive, they are elected differently, right? They are elected separately to a fixed term. You can see there is an election to elect the president. That is the executive, or the governors, or the local government chairman. Then there is now an election to elect the legislature, like the House of Reps, senators, House of Representatives in the state, and the councillors in the local government system. Okay, so the answer is D. They are elected separately to a fixed term. There is a fixed term of 4 years, so they already know that after 4 years they are going, except if they go back for election and they are successfully elected. If not, they will go and another person will take over the position. Which of these constitutions recognize local government as a third tier of government in Nigeria? Remember, I've told you I told you in part A to read up everything you can find about constitution. Go to your textbook and eat everything about constitution. Which of these constitutions recognize local government as a third tier of government in Nigeria? Before I answer, I want to tell you why I give you these videos. I give you these videos free of charge every day because this year I want you to claim it that for you to score 300 and above, even if others have said you will not do well, even if you have written JAMB before and you already didn't perform well, even if you are afraid, even if you are already more like seeing your failure, I am giving you these videos because I believe that the full members of this channel and Noble Tutorials, you will score 300 and above. Nothing will stop you. This is your year of getting admission. You will gain admission this year into your desired course and in your desired university by merit. Nothing will stop you. While others score 120, 130, 180, you will score 300, 320, 330, 340, 350, and 390 and above. If you claim it, tell me in the comment section. Type I claim it in the comment section. Those that score 390, 380, 370, they don't have two heads. Do they? Do they have two heads? Which of these constitutions recognize local government as a third tier of government in Nigeria? A. 1960 Constitution. B. 1963 Constitution. C. 1979 Constitution. And D. 1946 Constitution. The answer is C. 1979. That is about 19 years after independence. We move on. A referendum. If you have followed Mazen Namdekano for some time, you will always hear him talking about referendum. Okay? A referendum is a device to ensure that dash. A referendum is a device to ensure that dash. A. Elections are free and fair. B. Legislators vote to resolve contentious issues. C. Decisions are affected with the consent of citizens. D. By-elections are held in high vacant positions. A referendum is a device to ensure that. There was a time IPOB was talking about a referendum. Okay? But the accurate answer is a referendum is a device to ensure that C is the answer. Decisions are effected with the consent of the citizens. That before the government decides on anything, the referendum will ensure that that decision they are making is with the permission or the consent of the citizens. Is that not what it should be? Okay, we now move on to 38. I hope you are still here with me. The Midwestern region was created in Nigeria in dash. The Midwestern region, you know we have several regions, Northeast, Southeast, South, Middle Belt, and all the rest. Northeast region, North Central, and all the rest. The Midwestern region was created in Nigeria in dash. A. 1961. B. 1962. C. 1963. D. 1964. Guess the answer. The answer is simple. The same year that we became a republic is the same year that the Midwestern region was created, 1963. Are you still here? A form of oligarchy in which gifted people are at the helm of affairs. That is extremely brilliant, gifted, talented people. A form of oligarchy in which gifted people are at the form of affairs is dash. A. Aristocracy. B. Theocracy. C. Plutocracy. D. Gerontocracy. This has to be an assignment. All of you come under the comment section and tell me the answer. And then I want you to, in fact, the answer is A. Aristocracy. A form of oligarchy in which gifted people are the helm of affairs is aristocracy, right? But then I want you to come under the comment of this video and tell me definition. Just give me a one-sentence definition of four of them. Define aristocracy in one sentence. Define theocracy in one sentence. Define plutocracy in one sentence. And define gerontocracy in another sentence. While we move on. One of the principles objectives of the OPEC is to dash. What's the full meaning of OPEC? Should I tell you? I'm not telling. Okay, let me tell you. Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries. One of the principal which Nigeria belongs to because we export petrol. One of the principal objectives of the OPEC is to dash A. Determine oil prices in the international market. B. Harmonize the oil policies of member countries. C. Discipline erring oil producing nations, that is countries. D. Assist non-oil producing developing states. One of the principal objectives of OPEC, Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries, is it determine oil prices, or B. Harmonize oil policies for member countries, or C. Discipline erring oil producing countries, and D. Assist non-oil producing countries. In part 9, we will continue from question number 40. For now, what we have to do, if you have not become a full member of our channel, if you need anything, we give those past questions to the full members of our channel. If you have not become a registered member, do 4 things. If you want to receive past questions, syllables, there are 4 things you have to do. Number 1 is to become a full registered member of Noble Tutorials YouTube channel. How do you do that? Join. You do that by joining our YouTube channel. You can see the option to join. Click on it and join now. Number 2 thing you have to do is go ahead and like this video. Just click on like. Number 3 is for you to share this video. Very, very crucial. Very, very important. So click on share. Share this video here on YouTube. Then click on share again. Share the link on WhatsApp status, WhatsApp groups, Facebook status, Telegram channels, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, all these platforms. Anywhere JAMB candidates are gathered, all your classmates and friends and enemies, share this link to them. Then finally subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. Just click on subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Once you subscribe and you have joined, joining is the compulsory one. Once you have joined and done all these things and subscribe, come under the video, this particular video, and type I have subscribed. Type I have subscribed. Once I see you type I have subscribed, I will chat you up and send to you all those materials. There's this important video I'm giving you free of charge on the screen. You can see it on the screen. Click on it and watch now.